Thank you for calling Global Stream Customer Service. My name is Emma. How can I help you today?
Hello, Emma. My name is David. I am calling today because I would like to cancel my monthly subscription to your streaming service, please.
I can certainly help you with that, David. I am sorry to hear that you are thinking of leaving us. Before we proceed, could I please get a few details from you to find your account in our system?
Yes, of course. What information do you need from me?
Could you please give me the full name and the email address that are registered to the account?
The name on the account is David Miller, and the email address is david.miller@email.com.
Thank you. Could you please do me a favor and spell out the email address for me? I just want to make sure I have it exactly right.
Certainly. It is david.miller@email.com.
Perfect. Thank you so much for that. Please give me one moment while I pull up your account details. Yes, I have your account right here. I can see that you have been a customer with us for almost 2 years. We really appreciate your loyalty.
Yes, I have enjoyed the service, but I have decided that it is time for me to cancel now.
I understand. Before I go ahead and process the cancellation for you, would you mind if I asked your reason for leaving today? Your feedback is very important to us, and it helps us to improve our service for our other customers.
I do not mind at all. There is no major problem with the service. I think it is a great platform with a lot of good movies and shows.
I am happy to hear that you have enjoyed the content. So, what is the main reason for your decision to cancel?
The main reason is simply that I am not using it enough anymore. I have been very busy with work recently, and I just do not have the time to watch very much. It feels like I am wasting money each month on a service I barely use.
I see. So the main issue is the cost and not feeling like you are getting good value for your money at the moment because you are so busy.
Yes, that is exactly right. I am trying to review all my monthly expenses and cut down on things that are not essential. It is part of my plan to save some money.
I completely understand that. Saving money is a very smart goal, and it is important to be mindful of your monthly subscriptions. They can really add up.
They certainly can. So, could you please go ahead and process the cancellation for me?
I can. But before I do, because you have been such a loyal customer for 2 years, my system has authorized me to make you a special offer. I see you are currently paying $14.99 per month for our premium plan.
Yes, that is right.
As a thank you for your loyalty, I can offer you a 50% discount on that price for the next 6 months. That would mean you would only pay $7.49 per month. Perhaps that would make the service feel like better value for you.
A 50% discount for 6 months.
That is a very generous offer. I am very tempted. It would certainly make the cost much lower.
It is a significant saving. It is an offer we only make to our long-term customers. Would you be interested in accepting that offer and keeping your account active?
It is a great offer, and I really appreciate you making it. But I think I am still going to cancel.
Are you sure, sir? It is a very good deal.
I am sure. The problem is not just the price. The main problem is that I am just not using the service. Even at a lower price, it is still money that I am spending on something I do not have time for. So, thank you very much for the offer, but I would still like to proceed with the cancellation, please.
Okay, I understand your reasoning. Thank you for considering the offer. I have another possible solution for you if you are interested.
Another solution? Okay. What is it?
I can see that you are on our premium plan, which is our top level plan. It includes 4K streaming and allows you to watch on 4 different screens at the same time.
Yes, that is the plan I signed up for originally, because my whole family was using it.
I see. Perhaps that plan is just too big for your current needs. We also offer a basic plan. The basic plan does not include 4K streaming, and it only allows you to watch on one screen at a time. But the regular price is much lower. It is only $8.99 per month. Maybe that plan would be a better fit for you?
So, you are suggesting that I could downgrade my plan from premium to basic instead of canceling completely?
Exactly. It would still allow you to enjoy our service when you do have free time, but at a much more affordable price point. You would save a significant amount of money every month.
I understand. And that is another very good and helpful suggestion. I can see you are really trying to find a solution for me, and I appreciate that.
It is my job to make sure our customers are on the right plan for their needs.
But I think my answer is still the same. The truth is, I have too many streaming subscriptions. I have yours, and I have 2 others. It is too much content. I am trying to simplify my life, not just find a cheaper price. So I am going to stick with my original decision. Please, can we cancel the account now?
Of course, sir. I understand your desire to simplify. I will not offer you any more alternative plans. However, there is one final option that I have to make you aware of. It is not about saving money or changing your plan. It is about flexibility.
Okay, what is this final option?
Instead of canceling your account completely, you have the option to just pause your subscription.
Pause my subscription? I did not know that was possible. How does that work?
You can pause your account for a period of 1, 2, or 3 months. During that time, your account will be inactive, and you will not be billed anything at all. Then, at the end of the pause period, your account will automatically become active again.
So I would not have to pay for the next 3 months, for example. And what is the benefit of pausing instead of just canceling?
The main benefit is that we save all your viewing history and your personalized recommendations. If you cancel your account and then decide to come back in the future, you would have to start all over again, like a new customer. If you just pause, everything will be exactly as you left it when you return.
I see. That is actually a very interesting option. It is a good idea for people who are just temporarily busy or are traveling for a few months.
It is a very popular option. It gives you a break without losing your account history. Would you like me to pause your account for 3 months for you? There would be no charge until December.
I have to admit, that is the most tempting offer so far. It is a very clever idea. Let me just think for 1 second.
Of course. Take your time.
You know what? I think I am still going to say no. I think I need to make a clean break. If I just pause it, I will probably forget about it, and then the payments will start again in 3 months. I think for me, it is better to just cancel completely. Thank you for explaining all the options so clearly, but I am sure of my decision now. Please cancel the account.
Okay, David. Thank you for your patience. I have listened to your request, and I am processing the full cancellation of your Global Stream account now.
Thank you very much, Emma. I appreciate that.
The cancellation is now complete. I can confirm that you will not receive any more monthly bills from us. Your account will remain active and usable until the end of your current billing cycle, which is on the 18th of September. After that date, you will no longer be able to access our service.
That is perfectly clear. Thank you. Will I receive an email to confirm the cancellation?
Yes, a confirmation email has just been sent to the address we have on file. It also contains your cancellation reference number for your records.
That is great. Thank you for your help today. You have been very professional, even though I was a difficult customer who kept saying no to all your good offers.
Not at all, sir. It is my job to present the options, and it is your right to refuse them. I am just happy I could assist you with your request. Is there anything else I can help you with today?